Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 28th, 2022. We're going to talk about Vechain today and try to give you all an updated price prediction into the market for this cryptocurrency. Now, you guys can see, I got a price prediction already on my chart, but the market did not go the way that I expected it to go. And we're taking this all the way back to the beginning of the year. January the 13th was the last time I did a video for Vechain. You guys can tell it's been a complete dud. I did not get that one right. So I'm here today to give you all the updated price prediction for Vechain. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I'm not here to try to give you any confusion. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm not here to give you no FUD, no FOMO. I simply come through to assist you all, to try to help you out and show you where I think the market is gonna go simply by looking at price bars and volume. That is it. You don't need anything else outside of that to determine how strong or how weak a market really is. So check this out. First of all, I'm gonna go through and show you what really happened into the market in my original video back in January, my original ideas to where I was expecting the price to go. And in order for you all to understand and minimize losses in this space, I'm going to show you how you have to pay attention to what's really going on the chart, right? So you guys can tell back in mid-January 2022, we had this horizontal line drawn on the chart, right there around 6 cents. We utilized that area as a area for the buyers to stand up, meaning that the buyer would not let price fall below that point. And if it did occur, then we understand that we might need to let the play go, that we might need to let our expectations of seeing Vechain go up, we might need to just put it off and let the play go and minimize the losses, right? That would have been 26.34% for us to see Vechain's price go below 6 cents. Now, would you rather have that, or would you rather have at the low of the market in Vechain right here on the 24th of February of 51.25%? Yeah, that's what we're saying. This is how you're able to look towards the market for answers as to when to get in and when to get out. You got to let the market dictate your actions and not the other way around. This is why so many people come through and lose in this space, is because they want to dictate what market needs to do. It needs to be the other way around. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of this, because you guys can tell that Vechain now is coming right back up above that 6 cents level. Wow, isn't that amazing for us to see Vechain's price now trade back up above 6 cents? And not only that, the next area of support is not only at 6 cents, it's going to be up here now around 7 cents. The sooner that the buyers stand up the market in Vechain on any movement to the downside is going to be very great. So if we do see Vechain come back down and it holds 7 cents, this is your area to come in and buy the cryptocurrency again. It's telling you that. So as we continue to go forth into the month of April, I mean, keep your eyes open for that. The market's going to let us know whether or not the buyers are going to come through and stand up price right there around 7 cents. Okay. If not 7 cents, then we're going to come back down and test around 6 cents. So let me show you all the weekly time frame. Since we are starting out on a totally new week, it does look as if the buyers are now standing up on the market for Vechain. I do like what happened on the last conclusion of the weekly price bar, which is right there. Kind of lets us know that this market in Vechain still wants to go up. So what about on the 2 weeks time frame? Do you all think that we're going to see the same type of price bar on the 2 weeks perspective? Let's take a look. Look at that. What do you all think? I mean, look at this spread of this last completed 2 weekly price bar, right? Look at that. Let me zoom in. And you all can see it. 1 2 weekly price bar literally has erased the last 4. This one, these 4 right here. So it took, what, 8 weeks for the market in Vechain to dip and come down to a nickel. And it took us 1 2 weekly price bar for us to literally get rid of all that work. That's pretty good. So what do you think we need to expect going forward? Are you expecting the market to fall back down, or are you looking for the market in Vechain to go up? Let me show you another chart perspective. This is the 3 weeks time frame here into the market in Vechain. All right, look at it. It's right there. Looks pretty good. The market in Vechain is definitely hinting, especially in the long term, that we got some bullishness on the charts. So we're just going to simply play along and move along right alongside with the market. It's not that hard. It's not that complicated. The answers are already here. So let's just go ahead and drop this price prediction on the chart for Vechain. Okay. So now we already know that the first area for us to see buyers stand up is at 7 cents. They got to, because if they don't, then we're coming all the way back down to 6. Okay. Just like I had on our original price prediction, 6 cents. So let me go ahead and try to anticipate how high can we see the market go now in Vechain, right? So I thought I saw something pretty good on the 3-day time frame that we need to identify as an area to where the sellers can stand up price, right? So you guys can see it, it's up here. Maybe around like 9.5 to 10 cents is where we can see price in Vechain move. Okay, 9.5 to 10 cents. So it's like 24, almost 25%. Now it's not going to just shoot up. I'm not really expecting the market in Vechain to just give it that much bullishness, but hey, it can happen. There's a slim chance that that can happen, but generally what I'm looking forward to is for this coin to continue to trek up higher price, especially if we see buyers stand up at 7 cents, and a little less likely if the buyers stand up at 6 cents again. But the probability of it still going up is on the table. All right. So check this out. This is what we're going to look forward to. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market at Vechain. And as I always do, I want to give you all the opportunity to call the shots right alongside with me. I want you all to tell me, where do you think the price is going to go? Right? I mean, where do you think Vechain is going to be as we trade into the month of April? Because you want to get ahead of the game. That's the edge that we have into being in this competitive market. We want to beat everyone to these price levels so that we can already be willing and ready to take the profit. So let me know, where do you see the price in Vechain headed over the next couple of weeks? Give me a long-term price prediction, i.e. long-term, the month of April, May time frame. Are we going to continue to see the bullishness occur into the market at Vechain, or do you suspect that the market may just continue to consolidate and just trade sideways? Right? It's not that hard. It's not that difficult. All you got to do is pretty much gauge to where price is going, or where we've been already. You see that? You guys can tell even from this long-term trend back in 2020, the market in Vechain has came and bounced off of this ascending trend back on February 24, 2022. So if you would have drew this line and followed this trend, you would have known that this is the prime opportunity to come in and purchase this cryptocurrency, and you would have been up massively. You would be up right now 91, almost 100% right now if you'd have bought the market in Vechain on February the 24th. The answers are here. Just got to learn how to search and dig through the answers as to where we're trying to go. All right, so make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.